Hi everyone, it's Timmy, and in this video I'm going to be covering Qi. So Qi is the energy that's all around us. It's the life force that powers our movement. It's powering even our automobiles. It's anything related to movement, energy. Specifically in this video, I'll be talking about sources of Qi. So sources of Qi for our body to use and Qi in our human body. So those are the two categories of Qi that we'll be specifically talking about in this video. Going into sources of Qi, these are the different Qi that our body can metabolize, that our body can use. The first is Jing Qi, which is essence Qi. The second is Gu Qi, which stands for grain Qi. And the third one is Qing Qi, which means clear Qi. Let's first cover Jing Qi. So Jing Qi is essence Qi. It's the Qi that we get from our parents, and it's what we cannot control. It's completely dependent on our parents' genetics, and in Western medicine, this would be equivalent to the genetics or DNA. It's transformed by our kidneys in the embryonic stage in the womb, and it's something that is out of our control. The second source of Qi that we have is Gu Qi. Gu Qi means grain Qi, so it's the Qi that we get from our food and water. This is one of the Qis that we're able to control. We can control the quality of food and water that we have. And it's transformed by our spleen and our stomach. And it's a major source of Qi to produce Qi and blood in our body. The third and final source of Qi is Qing Qi, which means clear Qi. It's the Qi that surrounds us and we're able to breathe and exhale. It's inhaled by our lungs and it's used for vital activities in our body. And so again, these are the sources of Qi that are in nature and surround us, and it's the sources of Qi for our body to metabolize, to create the different Qi in our body. So there's 4 different types of Qi in our body, which are Yuan Qi, primary Qi, Ying Qi, which is nutrient Qi, Wei Qi, which is defensive Qi, and Zong Qi, which is pectoral Qi. So I'll first go over Yuan Qi, which is primary Qi. It's derived from our Jing Qi during our embryonic period. Recall that Jing Qi is the Qi that we get from our parents. And so this Yuan Qi is something we're born with, and it's something that we cannot change. It's stored in our kidneys and it's distributed by the Sanjiao. Yuan Qi is something that you do not want to use up, because once you finish using it all up, you can no longer live. It's the driving life force behind all of us. And so you really want to conserve your Yuan Qi. You can conserve it by, consuming better Gu Qi, better food, better water, and avoiding disease. But eventually, especially starting at around age 40 to 50, our spleen and stomach function kind of declines. And so that's when our Yuan Qi starts getting used up, as our spleen stomach isn't as strong as before. And that's why you start seeing a decline in function of humans starting around 60. You see them getting slower and Yuan Qi is being used up. The next 2 Qi that are in the human body are Ying Qi and Wei Qi. So in terms of Qi in the human body, you can think of these as the yin and the yang of the Qi in the human body, with Ying Qi being more like yin and Wei Qi being more like yang. Both of them are derived from Gu Qi. Recall that Gu Qi is the Qi that we get from food and water. The difference is that Ying Qi is circulated inside our vessels. It has more of a nourishing function, and Wei Qi is circulated outside of our vessels, and it has more of a function of regulating our body temperature and preventing the invasion of pathogens. So the Chinese name is kind of the Chinese name kind of explains the 2 different functions, with Ying Qi being more nutrient, more nutritive, and so it's circulated inside the vessels, versus Wei Qi, defensive, is really about our defense system, making sure we prevent pathogens from invading our body. And so these two qi, it's really important to have really good food and water so that we can produce good yin and wei qi. The final qi that exists in our body is zong qi, which is pectoral qi. It's called pectoral qi because it's converged at Rin 17, which is on the chest. And it's made from both qing qi, which is the qi that we breathe in the air, and gu qi, the food and water. This has the important function of promoting the blood vessels, so circulating qi in blood, and promoting the respiratory tract of the lung. So with respiration and speaking, it has a very important function. So in total, there are 4 different qi that exist in the body derived from 3 different sources of qi. We talked about the jing, gu, and qing qi that we get from outside of us, and we have the yuan, yin, wei, and zong qi that exists in our body. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.